Hello, my name is Dylan Avila, and this is my screen video recording portion for the ECE 13 extra credit write-up. And what I'll be talking about is how to use Git commands to turn in your work and be more specific. So we could just do an example here. I could just push this comment and then push this other one, maybe write a new comment saying this is part of the extra credit. Okay, which what that's gonna do, we can also add a new comment just saying also part of the extra credit. So that changed two of my files, so now it's prompting me to commit. But what does that mean? So basically committing is just saving a point where in your files it uploads to the Git repository on the website, and so other people can see it and grade it. But it's not officially on there until you push it. But I'm going to be explaining that a bit more at the head of the video. So here is my terminal. Here I'm going to restart it so it looks better. So first I have to go to my ECE 13 folder, which is located in my desktop on my computer on the Finder. You can see it more specifically, which if you go to desktop, in my case it would be ECE 13, my name, and then here are all my labs. But we have to access that in the terminal so we can actually push, commit, add, and do all those different commands. So currently I'm in my desktop as it says right here. Then we have to go to my 13 folder right here. CD basically just means go to in the file path. And then I'm in my 13, so then I have to go to my specific one, which is my username. So now I'm here, and then this is where I can choose any lab I want. And the one I edited was, I believe, lab 4. So I'm going to do cd lab 04, and now I am in my lab 4. So on this left part, it tells me the changes that I made and specifically what changes I did. We can have a similar thing to that on the terminal where I just do cd, get status, which shows me the status of the files that I changed. When it says modified, it tells me what I should add and everything. So this is the status of my files, which I need to change. So next, what I'll do is git add /a, which basically added all these changes I made to those files onto the new permanent ones. So git status now changes them to green, basically saying that it's ready to be committed onto the website. So now, and a quick note is you don't have to use the -a. You can instead just say git matrix math.h. To be more specific, if you want to, git add matrix math.h, which basically, if you want to add a specific file and don't want to add all of them at once immediately, you just do that instead, each one specifically. So what git add does, it adds all the changes onto it, and then it's just ready to be committed afterwards, which I can do now by just doing git commit -m, which saves a lot of time, because if you just do git commit, it's going to ask you to prompt the name of it after, so it's just easier to do this now, so you save time. So I can just hit git commit. So I have to name this type of commit, which we'll see on the repository, and the VS Code will also show it. So git commit, we can just say this is the video aspect of EC13 EC up. So now it committed, it basically saying how many files I changed, what I added, and what I deleted. So now we can just put git status one more time, and it says it's ready to push onto the main website. If we go back to VS Code, you're going to see the commit that we made here. This is the video aspect of EC13 write-up. And then it's gonna just, this is a way to just sync the changes, which is also basically another way to push out to the Git website. So if we go to the website real quick, we can see that nothing has been pushed right now, but it's still green check mark. Go back to our terminal. We can do git add or git push, sorry, which then it's gonna take a little loading, but then it's gonna push it onto the website, and we can check by using git status, which says the branch is up to date with the main, and it's not prompted to be added on VS Code anymore, because if we go back here, it's gonna say authored 1 minute ago. This is the name of the commit that I was talking about, and we get the green check mark, which we can see everything was found that was needed on the requirements. And yeah, this is just a quick little tutorial on how to turn in work for this class, because it can be a little tricky at first, not understanding how to use all these commands. But after a while, it's gonna come back. It's gonna be easy because you're gonna have to do this every single lab. But quick little video. Thank you.